Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a digital business card in Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're not aware yet, you can actually create business cards in Canva, but it's not directly a digital business card but a business card, and we'll need to basically use an additional software for this one. So what we need to do here is we need to go to canva.com, and from here we need to start creating our design. So at the top right of your screen, you should see an option that says create design, and from here what you need to do is you need to look for the business card option. So let's go ahead and type in business card here. And from here, you should see the different formats for business cards. So go ahead and choose the business card that you want to use. So for example, we have the regional business card option here for landscape. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to choose a template or design that we want to use, because with Canva it's actually really helpful, as you won't have to think much. You just need to use or choose a specific design that you want to use for your account or your design here. Now in this case, there are free designs here that you can see or you can use. Like for example, we could go ahead and use this option or design here. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, just click on apply both pages. And from here, what we need to do is start editing the business card. So we have two pages here for our business card. So one for the front and another one for the back. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and click on the specific elements on that business card design. As you can see, we can now change the text on it. Now, same things apply to other section here. Like for example, your position here, double click the number for you to update this one, as well as for your email address and your website. Now, you might be wondering what aspect is digital business card is integrated here. Well, digital business cards has a QR codes in them. Again, going back, we need to add an additional application or software into our design here. So good thing with Canva here is you could actually use different softwares without the needing or the need to visit other websites. So at the bottom left of your screen, you should see the apps section. And from here, what we need to do here is we need to search for the application that we'll be using, which is going to be Dynamic QR. So in this case, go ahead and search for dynamic QR codes. And from here, once you see dynamic QR codes, go ahead and press on it. And from here, you need to add it into your account. Now, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection, but once it's actually added, you'll see it at the very bottom here on your screen. Now, in this case, when you access dynamic QR code, you'll be able to access different designs, different formats, as well as to basically creating a link for your digital business card. So let's just wait for it to load up. Now, once it loads up, choose your template. Like for example, I want to use this template here. So let's go ahead and press on it. And from here, we can now change a few details about our design. So in this case, what we need to do is we first have to choose the QR code color. So click on it, and from here you could go ahead and choose the color that you want to use. Now in this case, if you have a very specific color in mind, you could go ahead and add the code on it in this location here. Now in this case, maybe we want to use this dark blue color here. Now from here, you could also change the background color for it, but I'm going to keep this as white. Now from here, you could also upload your logos. So for example, we want to click on upload logo here. And here, choose our logo. For example, click on open. And as you can see, we have a very tiny logo at the very center of that QR code. Now from here, we could go ahead and choose a pattern that we want to use. Like for example, this pattern here, or this pattern here. But once you've chosen your design or your pattern, what we need to do next is we need to add a link. So if you're wondering, where do we get this link here? Well, the good thing about Canva here, at the top right of your screen, you should see a share button there. Go ahead and click on it. And from here, you need to access your link. So click on the public view link here. With the public view link, anyone can actually view this design regardless or on where they are. So you just need to access that specific link. Now from here, let's go ahead and click on create public view link. And once it's actually created, what we need to do is we need to copy that. Just click on copy here, and we need to paste it in this location here. Now once you paste that, click on the add to design option and wait for it to pop up in your design here. And as you can see, it is now added. Now from here on, you can go ahead and just integrate it in your card here. As you can see, we are now able, or we were able to create our design. Now if you want to have a local copy of the design, so at the top right of your screen, again click on the share button at the top right, and from here click on the download option, and from here choose the following file type that you want to use. So in this case, we'll be using PNG, but you could use other formats as well. Now from here, click on download, and that should download your file here, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.